Hi again, everybody. Mike Dixon, Associate Professor of Operations Management, Utah State University, here with Who's Hiring Aggies. Today we're going to talk about some operations management, supply chain management type jobs available here in Logan. I have Justin Meehan here, who is plant manager at the Logan Cytiva. And he's going to sort of describe a little bit about what they have going on, and we're happy to have him here with us. Thanks, Justin.
Thanks for having me, Mike.
So Justin, get us started. Tell us a little bit about your career and your path to where you are now.
Sure. So my background, I grew up in a rural part of Ohio, very similar to Cache Valley here. A farm boy, went to school at the University of Toledo there for mechanical engineering, and part of that program was to mandatory co-ops. And so every semester, I would either go to work or I would be doing school. And through that process, I started with a company called General Electric and got into operations and just found a huge passion for being on the shop floor, solving problems, changing things, building processes. So when I graduated, I joined their leadership program. And from then on, they moved me around for 2 years to different parts of the United States in various roles. And since then, I've had this career across multiple businesses within their portfolio and ended up in Cache Valley because we love the outdoors. We love being out west. And for the last 3 years, I've been here as the plant manager. And since then, we've been acquired by Danaher, and our new operating company is now Cytiva. So different family of companies over the last couple of years here in Logan. Some know us as kind of high clone. We're bought by GE Healthcare and now part of the Cytiva brand within Danaher. And great company. We do a lot with the life sciences and biopharma space. So really excited, new challenges for me here.
Cool. Yeah, tell us a little bit more about what Cytiva is and what you guys do at the plant here in Logan.
Sure. So Cytiva really partners with pharmaceutical companies, research space across the globe. We're a global company to meet their needs from R&D all the way to how they manufacture the drugs, the vaccines, the therapies that you and I and our loved ones may take. So what we do here specifically in Logan is we manufacture the raw materials that are used to make different vaccines, therapies. We're partnering right now and helping with the COVID-19 vaccine. Some of our customers are the ones that are manufacturing the COVID-19 vaccine. So
cool.
Think of us as the supply chain that fuels the pharmaceutical companies that are making these different cancer treatments, therapies, et cetera, that we depend on to stay healthy.
Very cool. Well, that's awesome. So tell us about what kind of positions you're hiring now, or what it looks like in the near future for pending graduates of our programs.
Sure. It's an exciting time, really, Mike. Over the last 18 months alone, we've hired over 250 team members, engineers, associates, shop floor managers, materials managers to the Cytiva team. And over the next 2.5, 3 years, we expect 250 plus more.
Wow. Cool.
So for graduates at Utah State or current Aggies, the kind of opportunities we have to provide for you are we run a weekend shift. And that weekend shift works out really great for those students going to school that would also like to make some money, get a 401k, have full benefits. So we can offer some employment for Aggies right now who are in school and have to work around a Monday through Friday work schedule. If you're looking for an internship or a summer program, we have those too. And so, if you're an engineer, supply chain, plenty of opportunities to join our team from that perspective. If you're graduating, we have jobs in engineering, shop floor supervision, materials, all the way to project management, finance, R&D, product management, a host of jobs for this business that has really, doubled or tripled over the last 5 years.
Yeah. Awesome. I know a lot of our students, the dream is to stay in Logan, and it's awesome to hear that you have, so many cool new opportunities that are, that are just growing so big here, right here in Cache Valley. So that's super exciting to hear.
Yeah,
What's
Mike, we're really looking for high energy, associates, team members that want to be part of something special in the Valley. We talk about wanting to be the employer of choice in Cache Valley, where graduates can get their foot in the door, get experience with us while they're in college, but then also have a career path that allows them to stay in the Valley, allows them to grow and really be part of something special. What we do is helping save lives every day,
Yeah,
and that gets me up and coming to work
right,
in ways that yes, there's plenty of other good jobs, but when you're helping actually save lives, it puts a little bit of extra in there for you.
right. Yeah, it's super awesome to have, have that vision in place to be like, what I'm doing matters, right? So that's cool. Yeah, you mentioned just a little bit, what attributes or what is it you're looking for? Say you're hiring a graduate, of one of our undergrad programs. What is it that you would want, in particular, you're looking for that type of position? Yeah.
Sure. So if you're talking engineering, strong problem solving, ability to have some data analysis, elements, or are you strong in being able to manipulate data and use it to help you make a data-driven decision, not a personality-based one.
Mm-hmm.
Someone who likes to get their hands dirty. So if you're participating in robotics programs, Shingo is up. The Shingo organization is
Yeah.
up there at Utah State. If you're involved in those kind of things or helping get your hands dirty, when I was in college, I was a part of Formula SAE, and we were building race cars. That hands-on kind of experience, whether through school programs or if you've done co-op experiences, internships, those skills prepare you to come into our shop where we're going to be asking you to help us mock up prototypes of new manufacturing cell layouts, do some analysis on why we're missing production rates and helping us, get to root cause for those. So, our
Yeah.
engineers and our operations background folks, those are the kind of skill sets we're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
If you're interested in maybe material planning and that part of the supply chain, again, data analysis is a strong one. Heavy stats background. If you've got any procurement experience, that goes a long way as well. But we can teach a lot of the technical elements of the job. We wouldn't scare someone away. What we need is good fundamentals. Coaching, being open to it, problem solving, data analysis, and willingness to get your hands dirty and learn. Those are
Yeah.
the big ones that we look for, especially in young talent graduating. But even from our more senior hires, we're looking for those core fundamentals.
Right. Very cool. Well, Justin, thanks so much for the time. What's the next step? If students are interested in taking a look at what jobs you have open, what do they do? Where do they go?
Sure. Well, we'll try something here. So you can go to jobs.danaher.com, and Danaher is spelled DANAHER.com. So you can go to jobs.danaher.com. You can filter for Cytiva and Logan, and you can try to get us there. And we also got this cool card. We'll try to hold it up, and maybe that QR code will work for those. So we'll try and experiment there.
Okay.
But jobs.danaher.com is probably our best way to find us, and go from there.
Great. Well, thanks for taking a few minutes. We're excited to hear about the growth that you have in the Valley and the exciting career you've had and the fun things that are going on at Cytiva. So appreciate it.
Hey, Mike, thanks so much for this opportunity, and we look forward to helping some of our grads, or our current students, take those next steps. Come join our team.
Great. Thanks.